to a little snippet here of Federico Talks Watches. Now, I know today I was supposed to release the 5 extremely underrated chronographs, but unfortunately, I had a busy day. 2 good friends of mine, Christine and Tom, came to Miami, and we spent all day at Bell Harbor watch shopping and messing around, and I just got back a little too late to edit that video, so I do apologize. However, it will be coming out, I believe, on Tuesday. But today, I want to take the opportunity to ask you guys to participate in one of my next videos. The director of watchmaking over at Delray Watch Supply and Hans, the world-famous Hans, and I will be doing a video soon, and I wanted to give you guys the opportunity to ask him questions. Now, Hans is a master watchmaker. He was a technical director of Vacheron Constantin, Breitling. He was the director of Audemars Piguet South America, amongst other things. And I'm lucky enough to have him with me at Delray Watch Supply. By the way, check out our website, link in the description below. And we've made a few videos, and you guys seem to love Hansy. And of course, how couldn't you? He's like the coolest cat out there. And you know what? It doesn't happen often that guys are able to have access to somebody with as much knowledge as Hans. So, if you guys want to ask him a question about watches or about being a watchmaker, stuff like that, leave questions in the comments section below, and I'll use them in my next Hangin With Hans video. I think I'll pick the 10 best questions. So here's your chance. If you have any questions about watches, movements, becoming a watchmaker, the industry, stuff like that, leave them below, and me and Hans will cover them in the next segment of Hangin With Hans. Guys, thank you so much for being patient with me here on Federico Talks Watches. You know, it's a little bit of a struggle to keep the content flowing when I'm balancing Delray Watch Supply and the channel at the same time. I don't want you to think that I forgot about you guys, because everything I've built is basically thanks to you. So don't think that I don't know that. And, you know, I really do appreciate it. And please bear with me through this pretty hectic March, you know, moving offices and just doing so many other things that time is at a real premium, and I've been struggling to keep up with the shooting schedule. But things will get better and things will get more consistent. I just felt like I owed you guys an explanation. Anyway, thank you so much for watching another short snippet of Federico Talks Watches. I really do appreciate all the love and support. You guys are truly awesome, and I will catch you in the next one. Take care, guys.